Gloves are really nice quality and they're perfect to use if you're trying to moisturize your hands at night. They cover your hands completely from fingertip to wrist and they are quite breathable. So the nice part is if you put lotion on your fingertips or throughout your hands, they will still breathe, but they'll do a really good job at holding in that locking moisture from the lotion. So being that they're breathable, they don't tend to make your hands sweat, which is really nice. The moisturizer lotion stays in there all night long, but your sweat can still escape and evaporate. So they're actually quite comfortable to use throughout the entire night. I love how they are stretchy, so they'll fit just about any size of hands, and they are actually machine washable, so you can toss these in your laundry and reuse them over and over again. If you're looking for some quality white cotton gloves, definitely pick some of these up. I've been super happy with these, and I'm sure that you guys will be too.